Want to chat with your friends on Discord while playing your favorite games on PlayStation 5 without using an uncomfortable headset splitter or awkward cables? Welcome back to Techavro. Today, we are connecting your Discord account directly to your PS5 step by step so you can transfer voice calls straight to your console in seconds. Let me show you how to set it up. Before we start, make sure your PS5 console is turned on and updated to the latest system software. First, open your Discord desktop application. Click on your user settings gear icon at the bottom left corner next to your username. In the settings navigation menu on the left side, click on the Connections tab. On the main connections dashboard grid, locate the PlayStation Network logo badge and click on it. A secure browser window will pop up asking you to sign into your PlayStation Network account. Enter your PSN email and password and click Sign In. Once authorized, toggle on Display on Profile and display PlayStation Network as your status. Now, whenever you join a voice channel on Discord, look at the bottom left call controls bar, click on the phone and controller icon labeled Transfer to Console, select Transfer to PlayStation and pick your PS5 console. Put on your PS5 headset and boom, you are instantly chatting with your Discord crew right from your PlayStation. If this cross-platform console guide made your gaming setup easy, smash that like button and subscribe to Techavro for more clean tech tutorials. See you in the next one.